Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to CryptoGyani, your due to success. Well, I'll be talking about FiCoin.tech today. There are some recent news developments on FiCoin. But before we go to FiCoin, if you want knowledge on Bitcoin, blockchain, Ethereum, smart contracts, or if you're searching for investment opportunities, ICO, you know where to go, guys. In my website, CryptoGyani.co, and you can explore that website. Now, coming back to FiCoin.tech. FiCoin.tech has recently made a huge announcement, and the price of FiCoin is increasing steadily. And for those of you who don't know what is FiCoin, FiCoin is a staking platform in which you can earn passive income. It's not a lending platform, it's a staking platform in which you earn a passive income. You are the owner of your coins. There's a video made about FiCoin, the link's up there. You can click on the link and you watch what is FiCoin. There's an in-depth review of FiCoin. So let's come down to the announcement which was made yesterday. This was made on the Telegram channel on March 20th, you see. And also on March 19th also they made this, that they will be burning 1 million tokens, and they did that. They have burned 1 million tokens of the developers in order to decrease the supply of the coin. That's a great step taken by them, because the developers themselves are burning their token in order to keep the supply low and to make it a point that the price of FiCoin increases in the long term. So the first burn of 500,000 tokens was completed on 19th, and on 20th another 500,000 tokens were burned, and the developers could keep these tokens with themselves. 1 million tokens, even if FiCoin is $1, then they have burned 1 million of their own money. They are burning their money in order to keep the platform sustainable, and that's a great initiative by the developers. And I think the FiCoin developers are really working very hard in order to take this platform a notch ahead. So the FiCoin currently it's priced at 72 cents, and it's been paying nice interest rates for past few days. So let's look at the interest rate which it was paying, and you can see we got 1% this month, which was the highest. And anyone who did a loan of say more than $1,000 or more than $10,000, they would have got a bonus of 0.1 and 0.2%. This is the bonus. For 1,001 to 10,000 you get 0.1% bonus, and for 10,000 to 50,000 you get 0.2%. This was the bonus if he did a loan of more than 10,000. His interest rate of 1.2%. 1,000 to 10,000, 1.1%. The FiCoin is paying interest rate at a steady rate, and it has assured us that it will not pay the interest rate more than what it earns. The best thing about FiCoin is that it doesn't have a referral structure. In its white paper, I'll just show you what it states. If you haven't gone through the white paper, there's a short thing. All referrals will be distributed after the ICO round. We do not offer any multi-level marketing, and the initial referral is purely for the ICO stage. There are no referral multi-level marketing structure. We are trying to keep all the facets of FiCoin as simple as it's possible. The same with our referral program. It's only for the ICO round there was a referral structure, no referral structure in future. After the token burn of 1 million tokens, they burned 1 million tokens. Then we have a supply of only 11.93 million. You can see total amount after burn was 12.93 million, out of which this much is in supply, 9.894, and if you minus 1 million tokens from here, it takes us to 11.93 million. Well, this has reduced the supply, and ultimately in near term with the marketing of this platform, the price would increase. Nowadays people have burned their hands in lending program, and they think that lending programs are bad. Well, not all, but this is not a lending program. FiCoin is not a lending platform, it's a staking platform. You are the owner of your coins, and you hold your coins in your wallet, in your MIILION wallet, and you can sell off your coins anytime you want. The amount of lending you do is associated with a USDT value. That means say you have 100 FiCoins. If USDT value on that day is $1, then you have lended $100 to them. If you have 10,000, you lend 10,000. You have the coins in your MIILION wallet. You don't have to stake lock up your coins with FiCoin team, and that's why I like FiCoin really much, because if something goes wrong, if anything, there's like, if I see any mishappening going on in the FiCoin team, I can stop my staking period and I can sell off my coins, and I can say can leave this platform. But till now, it's been more than say 2 months. But FiCoin is working really well. They are working really hard. So FiCoin is on external exchanges, no internal exchanges. It's on token store. It's on IDAX. And if you want to join FiCoin, you have the link in the description. Remember, no referral structure. Just I've posted the link. You can join directly and buy some tokens for token store, and you can start this staking and earn some nice rewards. So these are the staking rewards. If I show you my wallet, and you will see the staking payouts. It's on a continuous basis. These are the payouts which I got. See, when it was 1%, I got 2.4428. 0.84, 2.44, 2.5, 2.5, 0.26, 0.55. So these are the staking rewards. Once your term gets end, like here it's 1 tick, you will get 2 ticks, and the amount of interest will be transferred to your wallet. That's how the FiCoin thing works. The FiCoin is looking really good, guys. It's been 2 months down the lane, and there hasn't been any kind of hitches in the platform, and they are not really only relying on trading. They have their ICO review section so that they review ICOs and they can get some money from there. And they also have the news section. They have a Telegram channel from which you can get latest updates. No referral marketing structure, no multi-level marketing schemes, and a great team of developers. So FiCoin is working really hard. If you want to join FiCoin, links in the description. You can click and join the FiCoin. There's no referral structure. There's not a referral link. It's just a link to join FiCoin directly. So you can click on that link and you can join. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you can get all my updates in time. And do share this video so that more and more people can get to know about ficoin.tech, and comment down in this video section that what are your views on ficoin.tech, whether you would join ficoin.tech or not. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out.